Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we are going to share an update about the Wipro. So Wipro has started giving the joining dates to the people who were freshers, but there is a twist in the story, right? So we will discuss about this in the detail that what are the twist, and we will also see what is the change in the offer letters that they have made, right? But before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do like, share, and subscribe our channel, right? Please share this channel among your network, among your friends, families, so that they can also get the information based on the IT, and anyone who is looking forward to make their career in the software testing field, they can get the proper guidance. Now, the email that has been received by the candidates who were selected at Wipro. So let us see the whole story in detail, right? So Wipro has started rolling out revised offer letters, right? So it is with lower salaries, unfortunately, right? To thousands of freshers who have been waiting for the company to onboard them, right? Now, these freshers were selected in the year of 2021, 2022, right? They were then categorized as allied candidates with a cost to the company of rupees 3.5 lakh, right? Some candidates would be upgraded to turbo category with a higher package of 6.5 lakh if they complete the velocity training that is within the Wipro that is called, right? Now, there are several people, several candidates who were recruited and were offered a fresh offer letter with rupees 6.5 lakh as a salary, right? So they haven't got a joining date yet, right? So if the CTC was 3.5 lakh, so they have got the joining date, right? And if the salary package was 6.5 lakh, so they haven't received the joining date yet, right? Now, now the people who were about to join with 6.5 lakh as salary, now their salary package has been reduced to 3.5 lakh, and now Wipro is requesting them to join at 3.5 lakh package. So this is a big twist that has come up in the story. So these freshers were actually waiting since 8 months, 10 months, 12 months. They have been waiting past among 1 year to join Wipro company at the package of 6.5 lakh. But now the company has reduced the package in the offer letter, and they have rolled out the revised offer letters to these freshers, and they have asked them to join at 3.5 lakh, right? And this is the email that has come up. So, like others in our industry, we continue to assess global economies and customer needs, which factor into our hiring plans. We appreciate your commitment and patience as we try to identify joining opportunities for you. Currently, we have certain project engineer roles available for recruitment with an annual compensation of INR 3.5 lakhs. We would like to offer all our Velocity graduates in the FY23 batch an opportunity to opt for these roles. So now the candidates who had selected in the year of 2021, in the year of 2022, right? Or maybe 2020. So those candidates are being now told to join at the package of 3.5 lakh, and they have got the project engineer role in some of their client project for which they have asked, they have requested to join, right? Now, the company assured that accepting with an offer letter with a lower salary, these candidates would be onboarded in March this year. So if they are accepting these offer letters, so they will be onboarded in March or April of this particular year itself, right? So yeah, so it will be initiated from 2023 onwards. Right. Yes, definitely. So Wipro's revision of the package has not gone well with the candidates. Definitely, if any person is there who were supposed to join at 6.5 and they were waiting for the company to call them, now if they get the offer letter of 3.5 and they request them to join at 3.5, so definitely it will not go well because you have been waiting since long for the company's joining date, right? So this is the major update that has come up, right? And these offer letters have been started rolling out from March 2023, but now they are at peak stage. So now many of the people, many of them have started receiving it, right? So this was actually the news which was coming by the end of March 2023 in the first week of April, but now these offer letters have started. So This was a sample email also that the candidates have actually started receiving from the Wipro company, right? So there has been a offer letter has been rolled out, but yes, the salary compensation has been decreased from 6.5 lakhs per annum to 3.5 lakhs per annum, and they will get a lot of training. So as a fresher, whenever you join the company, you are expected to get some training for 3 months or initially 6 months. It depends on companies to company, right? And then you can start working for that company, and you can actually start working in the client based project based that are given by the client. So they actually provide the training so that you get a default, you get a basic idea of what are the different things that you have to take care when you are onboarded on certain project, right? So these kind of trainings are very important. But again, looking at the factor of the package, which has been reduced from 6.5 lakh to 3.5 lakh, and there is also a slight precondition. If they will accept this package, then only they will be given the further joining date. So this is a major update that we have received from Wipro company, right? And it is applicable to all the candidates, elite candidates, and the candidates which are coming in the turbo category, and the candidates which will be completing the velocity training going forward, right? So this is the major update that we have received. So if you have received any offer letter from Wipro, so or if you haven't received any such kind of communication, so please talk to your hiring managers, please talk to your recruitment team, right? And get these kind of confusions resolved, so that uh, you are getting yourself updated. Okay, see, others have received the email, so do we have to wait for further communication, or just be proactive in this kind of things, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates.